Welcome, and thanks for taking time to learn about something that's made a positive difference in millions of people's lives around the world. We hope that this can be a transformative moment in your life, too. You probably have a lot of questions. Today, in this presentation, we'll start by answering 3 big ones. First, Forvever Living Products. Who are we? What is it exactly that we do? And finally, how do we do it? How does Forvever help tens of thousands of people in the US and millions worldwide look better, feel better, earn a living? Let's jump into this last question first. You probably have questions about network marketing. To understand how network marketing, sometimes called multi-level marketing, works, we first need to understand how the traditional retail marketplace works. Let's take a nutritional product as an example. The traditional retail model was developed in England during the Industrial Revolution. This process hasn't changed much in over 300 years, despite massive changes in our economy. It starts with a grower who sends their harvest to a manufacturer. The manufacturer produces a product and sells it to a wholesaler. The wholesaler distributes it to many different retail stores, who then sell it to a consumer. Each step along the way, there are expenses to pay and profits to earn. There's nothing necessarily wrong with this traditional retail pathway. However, what Forvever does is far more straightforward. Forvever grows, produces, and distributes the world's finest aloe-based products. They distribute them through Forvever business owners, like you and I. Those profits that traditionally would go to middlemen now go to us, in the form of bonus compensation, car allowances, and travel incentives. Forvever business owners have 2 streams of income. We have consumers that simply love our products, and we have team members who, like us, seek to build Forvever businesses. The Forvever opportunity is like a growing tree. As you add new team members, you add new branches. Those new branches produce new branches themselves. With consistent effort over time, you have a large tree stemming from your single trunk, your Forvever business. What are the advantages of running your own Forvever business? First, you get to decide when and how much you want to work. 90% of people start their Forvever business part-time, in their spare time. Next, you can become a better person, your best self. Forvever business owners work with friends and colleagues, people you choose to work with. And finally, you decide how much you want to earn. You have the products, support, and system you need to transform your efforts into substantial profits and nearly limitless growth. You're plugging in to a proven system of success, both locally and globally. Network marketing is an effective business model that uses the power of personal recommendations to sell products. Companies that use this model of sales and distribution move billions of dollars of product each year. Let's look at some of the reasons why you should choose Forvever to build your network marketing business. Forvever Living Products was founded in 1978. It was started by a man with an incredible vision, a man named Rex Mon. His vision was to enhance the health and well-being of millions of people the natural way, using a miraculous plant, the aloe vera plant, and to create a company that could give ordinary people the opportunity to live extraordinary lives. He didn't do it alone. He was wise enough to build a talented team of some of the brightest, most talented people around, serving at the global headquarters in Scottsdale, Arizona, and in country offices throughout the world. The next generation of leaders see an even brighter future ahead. We are the world's largest aloe vera company. In 1978, few had even heard of aloe vera. At that time, there was no stable, reliable way of getting aloe to market. Forvever revolutionized the industry through a patented stabilization process that makes aloe storable, shippable, and available worldwide. While Forvever began in a single country, the United States, we currently operate successfully in over 155 countries. We're on every continent, a truly global enterprise. Forvever has a long history of financial stability. We own most of our offices, all of our farms, factories, and distribution hubs. Forvever has enjoyed strong growth since 1978 without incurring any meaningful debt. While other companies failed during the recent global financial difficulties, Forvever has remained strong and independent. Forvever is more than simply a financially successful company. Forvever stands behind the charitable foundation Forvever Giving that has helped thousands around the world with educational resources, disaster relief, support for the disabled, and many other worthy causes. Forever Giving is always looking for ways to do for others what they cannot do for themselves. But it's not just the company that cares for others. Individual Forever business owners make a positive impact throughout the world.
I help in running a school. These children are from very unprivileged sections of the society. There are about 20,000 people living in a small area. And these children are really helpless. Their parents hardly have anything, so they cannot support their children in any way. I want to basically help these children so that they can come up in life. I think like children want food and education, adults need security of health and wealth in life. Through Forever Business, I am very happy that I am able to help these people through education, food, and whichever way I can. And I am really glad that I choose Forever. I am proud of it. It has changed my life completely, and I am able to help these people to do better and go to a higher place in life. I am Sunil Gupta. I believe in the power of education, the power of love. I believe in the power of Forever. I am a Sapphire manager and I am Forever.
Sunil is one of the thousands of Forever business owners throughout the world who give of themselves, their time, their finances, their passion for helping others with food, clothing, schools, libraries, and on and on. Great people doing great things. Forever is also very environmentally responsible. We're certified by the International Aloe Science Council for safe and natural growing, processing, and manufacturing practices. Forever is also certified cruelty-free by People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals, as it does not do any animal testing on its broad line of natural products. Since 1978, there have been booms and there have been busts. Forever has survived and thrived, getting stronger each year. Forever is a stable, secure place to build your business. Next, what is it we do here at Forever to create such growth and stability? Not only do we grow our own aloe vera, we own the ground, the irrigation equipment, the tractors, and the trucks. We have farms in Texas and the Dominican Republic, thousands of acres of aloe vera as far as the eye can see. We also own and control all the processing and manufacturing of our products. We do this to ensure a consistent supply of the world's finest aloe vera. We also own our own research and development capability as well. Our scientists are certified in the latest technologies and methods. Nobody puts more care and attention to quality than Forever.
I am Jim Bogus, Manufacturing Manager for Aloe Vera America. I am responsible for the compounding or blending of the products as well as packaging. We work together with engineering companies to design this custom packaging and blending equipment, and it was a $5.5 to $6 million investment. Forvever Living Products is willing to make such a sizable investment because they want to be here for the next 30 years. They want to be here for the next 100 years, making the highest quality, safest, most efficient product possible. Our distributors can be confident that we have the highest state-of-the-art equipment for their products. FOP is going to redefine the industry. As a matter of fact, we're doing it now. We're always moving forward, so we're succeeding.
Our labs and manufacturing facilities are state-of-the-art. Most other network marketing companies can't afford this capability and use third-party companies to make their products. Forvever is different. We control our products from the soil to delivery to you. A difference you can taste and feel. A difference you can trust. Now, let's take a quick look at some of the large markets in which Forvever has chosen to compete throughout the world. We produce incredible skin and personal care products everyone uses every day. Tooth gel, soaps, lotions, creams, and a full line of makeup. This is a massive opportunity for Forvever business owners. The global market for weight management products is predicted to be $586 billion in 2015. Forvever has amazing products to help people manage their weight. Products like our C9 and Fit 1 and 2 product packs that combine the right combination of products along with nutritional and exercise guidance. Let's take a look at Clean 9. Clean 9 helps you look and feel better in only 9 days and at less than $100 retail. It's a simple way to get started without hurting your wallet. The benefits of Clean 9 include the elimination of stored toxins, which can keep you from absorbing the highest quantity of nutrients from your food. The program will teach you how to reset bad food habits, leaving you looking better and feeling more energized. This is one of our most effective business builder products, and it's great for introducing our products and the Forvever opportunity to others. Forvever also has a nutritional supplement product line that is both wide and deep, from daily vitamins for adults and kids to specific supplements for specific nutritional needs. For anyone who is looking for the highest quality nutritional program to support their daily health, Vital 5 is the right choice after completing Clean 9. Made up of 5 essential Forvever products, Vital 5 helps to support many systems in the body while providing a solid foundation of advanced nutrition. Vital 5 is core nutrition that everyone needs every day and can be accelerated with other Forvever products to meet your specific needs. Vital 5 is for everyone, every month. There are 3 paths to becoming a successful Forvever business owner. The first path is to use the products and share them with others. This is essentially a retail business. Your second option is to begin building a small team of people like you who are looking for something extra in life. People who will both use and share the products and find others who will do the same. Finally, as you gain team members who begin building large teams, you become a business developer, helping others to do as you have done. Let's go back and look at each of these steps in more detail. First, your business starts with gaining personal experience and making recommendations to others. In other words, developing a retail business. 90% of us are not salespeople. We simply use the products and recommend them to others. Many distributors never have more than 15 to 20 customers. Typically, with this type of business, one can earn between $250 and $400 per month. While that may not pay the mortgage, it can take some pressure off the monthly household budget. The next step is to build a small team. As you recommend the products to others, you'll find that some of your customers have the same motivations as you. As you build a small team of 15 to 25 individuals, each with their own customers, each building their own teams, you can expect to earn between $1,000 to $2,500 per month. For most of us, that will pay the mortgage. For most of us, that will make a major difference in our monthly budget. Finally, you're able to build a large team, introducing the forever opportunity to others who will do the same over and over again. Your consistent effort over time will produce remarkable and life-changing results. When you've taken this step, things really start to get exciting. Not only are you making serious money, but you qualify for a variety of bonuses and incentives as well, such as the Chairman's Bonus, Forever's annual Global Performance Bonus, a bonus in addition to your regular monthly income. Last year's top performer earned a check for $1.3 million. Forever pays out large sums to hundreds of people like you. $22 million last year alone, paid to people who keep up their activity and do what works over and over again. Our best performers also happen to be those who have the most fun at what they do. Another popular incentive is our Earned Income Incentive, which we also call Forever to Drive. You can earn up to $9,600 per year to use however you wish. Most use it to pay for the car of their dreams. It's the incentive that also works for you. A daily reminder of what members of your team can achieve if they work hard like you do. Another great incentive is global travel. There are 2 trips per year available to everyone who achieves the incentive criteria. Last year was London and Lake Tahoe. This year it's Singapore and Cancun. Next year, who knows? All expenses paid, including spending money. Thousands of Forever business owners will be there, and you can be there too. There are also further advantages of being part of Forever. You live the lifestyle of the self-employed without having to worry about the many challenges that come with owning a brick-and-mortar business. You can leave a willable income to whomever you choose long after you've lived a long, fulfilling life. A large growing Forever business with hundreds or even thousands of team members produce a monthly income stream that flows every hour of every day. Does all this seem too good to be true? This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's hard work. Make no mistake, successful Forever business owners have worked long and hard. You do have to dream big. You do have to have a positive attitude. Learn from those around you. This is a social business. The more time you spend with people, the more successful you'll be. Be bold. Many will say no. A few will say yes. Don't become discouraged. Enjoy the products. Recommend them to others. If you're consistent, in time, you'll be successful. There are moments in all of our lives that can change us forever. For millions of people, one of those moments was hearing a presentation like this and deciding to give it a shot. You can change your life, and you don't have to do it alone. Millions of people around the world have changed their lives by becoming a part of the Forever family. A wise man once said, "Decisions determine destiny." You now have the opportunity to make a decision that can determine your destiny and the destiny of those you love. You can decide to get started. To get started, order your first products and experience how they work in your life. Also, you can start learning more about Forever to get answers to your questions and learn more about how to change your life through building a Forever business. Thank you for your kind attention. Talk to the person who shared this presentation with you to learn more about how you can make a major positive change in your life with Forever.